How to use Motion AI app, step-by-step beginner tutorial to Motion AI. Now, in order to pretty much basically use this, the first thing you're gonna have to do, of course, is to download the app. So just go ahead to your Play Store and search for Motion AI and download it. Then you can go ahead and log in via Google, Microsoft, or your email. And once you pretty much do that, you can finally go ahead and start with the features of Motion. So you can set up and sync your calendar, connect Motion with your existing calendars, like from Google, Microsoft, or iCloud. And once you have it on your computer, you can pretty much use it as another tool in your mobile phone. But it's mainly here in your computer. You can create tasks and events, add standalones, to-dos like write reports or client follow-ups. You can also organize your workspace and projects and have auto scheduling with AI if it's available for you. Then you can view your agendas and priorities all in Motion. You can do the same in your mobile phone. You can use team collaboration tools where you can share your workspace or assign tasks across teams, and you can build in team blocking to mark individual calendars as busy and avoid scheduling conflicts. And finally, once you do, you'll be able to get the features where you have advanced tools and integrations. Use Siri shortcuts or emails to push tasks into Motion automatically, and since Motion supports integrations with calendar apps and third-party tools like Asana, Trello, Slack, and Zapier, it's gonna be very useful if you're using something like Motion. But anyways, once you have connected both your phone and your computer, you should be able to use your Motion with most of its basic features. There is a try Motion for free option here. Go ahead and do so if you want. And that's pretty much how you use Motion basically. And hopefully this video can help you. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.